Hello, today I'm going to show you how to unscrew and pull out both the battery and the RAM and exchange it, if needed, for an HP EliteBook 840 G6. What you'll need is a toolkit, iFixit toolkit. You can get the base model if you need. What you have here is your screwdriver, which you can customize. You have your metal pick. You have your wedge to open it. Got a long pick to pull out wires safely. You won't need these, and you won't need that for this case. So, first we're going to need a screw that is the plus, which would be the one on the bottom here. Get your plus screw. The smaller size should be fine. Put that into, pull out our screwdriver and attach it to the top. Right there, comes in and out very easily if needed. And we're going to unscrew. The beauty of the HP EliteBook is that the screws, even if you unscrew them, do not come out. Like the older models of Dell and HP laptops, the screws will come out, but for these, they do not. Just gotta go to there, and it'll stay in. Make sure you get all of them. It's fairly easy to do. This one here. This one down here as well. The black ones, there's going to be two black ones. Another silver. And one more black one. Okay, we're going to take our wedge tool here, and we're going to open the computer. Kind of slide it in and push up. Now we got the inside of the computer, so you can see. This long thing here is the battery. Want to take the battery out. You'll need to change to the star screw, which would be this one of these two. And there are 5 screws to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you use that to do that. The RAM, SODIMM RAM placement, very easy here. Snaps out. You get a new replacement. Snap back in, seat it. Make sure it's seated real well. Make sure both RAMs match at 8 gigabytes or 1616, whatever. If you're gonna unplug the batteries right here, you would use this tool. pick to unscrew it. RAM, very easy. Battery, the screws. And put it back. Kind of hard to put back a little, but use the pick to pull it out. And plug it back in. Be careful not to rip the wires. It'll ruin the battery. And then we're just going to put the top over it and screw it back in. And just so you know, there's other components here too. You got your hard drive, cooling fan. There's a CMOS battery set. Make sure you update the BIOS and the RAM when you, especially the BIOS, when you change the battery. Very important to ensure the long life of the battery. So let's put it back together. You have to be a little rough with it. Push it back in. Okay, if it looks like it's on. There's some other edges here. And then we're going to proceed to screw it back in. And that's pretty much it. Battery and RAM, very basic, very common, but important changes. Hard drives not too often. Not usually something that has to be changed. CMOS battery, only if there's a big power problem do you need to ever touch the CMOS. And that's pretty much it. It's much easier than the old laptops, that's for sure. The Dell Latitude 5400 series is similar to the HP EliteBook. So make sure for those as well. Another video. So almost all screwed in. You always want to, you don't have to screw it in all the way if you actually did change the RAM or the battery, because you know, in case you didn't plug it back in right or something, you want to make sure you did that properly. And then always make sure when you're done to put away your tools. It's very easy to lose them. Recommend this iFixit kit, very good. So to summarize, the iFixit kit, screwdriver, pick to pull out the battery plug. If you're actually going to change the battery, use the star screws for the 5 screws. SODIMM RAM is very easy, even easier than old desktop PCs, so just make sure it's seated, make sure you update the BIOS and drivers. You should be all set. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.